Happy Tasty Tracks Day. Hold on, let me do a little hair flip.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Tasty Tracks. This is a show where we listen to albums and tell you the track about.
Holy sh**. Is that one of your voiceover voices? You sound like Cartman.
Welcome to Tasty Tracks.
What's up, guys, and welcome to Tasty Tracks. This is a show where we listen to albums and tell you the tastiest track on the album. Bum, 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 bum. My name is Jensen.
My name is Kelly.
And today, we're going to talk about the new album, 2020 release, Alicia Keys. Alicia, what is your tasty track?
Sorry, I blanked for a second. My tastiest track was Time Machine, which I don't know which single it was. It's one of her singles, but it's a good bop. And you know I like a good bop. I like a good bop, and I like a good bop.
Oh, God, no.
Sorry, I had to say it.
No.
Yeah, it's got like 80s synth, which is my favorite. It's kind of retro sounding.
Mm-hmm.
It's about going back in time, which I would love to do. That would be great.
What would you do if you could go back in time?
I would like relive ages like 20 to 23 and just like loop that shit
Really?
over and over. Yeah, that was a great time.
What was it about?
Or I would go, actually really probably what I would do is go back and live in like the 70s. Cause like the music was just so great.
Yeah, could you imagine seeing like Led Zeppelin in a small club?
Then I would also travel to like 80s Sunset Strip hair metal.
Yeah.
I might just ping pong between those two. I feel like that would be really fun. I would be dressed like Kelly Bundy all the time. I would just be going to see Motley Crue. I mean, she has in that song, it's like, free your mind. Free your mind! How do you even free your mind though? That's what I wanna know. And if you say meditation, I'm gonna quit this show. What is your tastiest track?
My tastiest track is Love Looks Better. And I like this one because I feel like it's a little more poppy than the rest of the album, but it's a little more dancey, and I like that. And then there's a part where she says, run, run, it reminds me of Beyonce. And then at the very end, or I think the hook, remember that Selena Gomez song? I can't remember what it's called. Wolves or something. I've been running through the jungle. I've been to get to you. It's the same. It's close to the same harmony. So it makes me think of that song. So it's like, feels like I'm getting 3 artists in one. It's like Alicia, Beyonce, Selena Gomez.
I'm very surprised by that.
I know.
Because it's like, I usually just pick the closest, most Lana Del Rey like song on any record, and that's usually what you pick. That's like a very happy song.
I know. It's
you.
fun for me to see which one I actually pick and which one I think that you will think that I will pick, because most of the time you're right. And there was one song I think about like letting go of a relationship that I was like, Kelly's gonna think I'm gonna pick this one, and I almost did. I think about your taste now when I'm listening to music.
Do you?
I do.
I don't think about yours.
How have we been friends for so long? How have we been friends for so long?
11 years now.
How did that happen?
I mean, I'm a really good friend.
Get out of here.
You ramp it up and I ramp it down.
And you'd bring us out.
And then we all go take a nap.